Guys, I was out looking for copperheads and stuff and snakes. Look what I found. Found a toady. Look at him. He's so cute. Like, you cut me. See how pretty Odie. It's a pretty chunky one. Probably the biggest one I found all year. Didn't find a bunch of little tiny guys. He's been feasting over. I can feel the bugs inside of his stomach. He's got some pretty good jumping abilities, so we're gonna test out and see how far he can jump. See if we can jump like a bullfrog. Oh, he's so cute. Start turning, little toady. Go, buddy. Boom. Got some. Oh, wow, let me go. There's a wall there. Whoa, he knows how to move it. Uh-oh. Cat coming in. That thing can move. He knows what he's doing. Ah! Go, go. Go, go, Teddy, go. Go, Teddy, go. Whoa, dude. Well, we're gonna let him go live. Hopefully the cat doesn't eat him. No promises though. If you like toads and you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.